So they did have a camp right on the outside the railway station, and there was a bunch of people working there, staying in that camp. And my younger brother at that time, he was hiding out. My oldest brother went away with the second roundup of the Jews in town, and I remember when they rounded up the second group of Jews, my oldest brother was there. So I was in this camp since from about, I would say, end of summer till about that time before Christmas, I would say. Maybe it was like November, December. It was already snow on the ground and everything. Yes, I know that there was snow on the ground because they decided to take our group to a different camp. But before they did that, my younger brother used to come down to the fence. He used to steal himself over to the fence so that the soldiers on the four corners wouldn't see him, and I would correspond with him. And then we knew that we were going to go to the other camp. So I wanted to bring in my younger brother, he should join me in the camp. So I was talking to this leader, Jewish leader. You should put him on the list. And I gave him all the money that I had on me. And of course I didn't have a lot, but I had a few zlotys. And sure enough, he put him on the list. But the same night, there was a lot of Jews that were hiding out in the woods, and they wanted to come into the camp. We knew that they were outside, and we hear machine guns. They machine gunned all these people. And in the morning, they made us look at these people that were all shot and